And now contestant number 8, Alexandria Costantino from physics.
I think so. The universe is so rich and beautiful. There are stars, planets, black holes. On the planets, there are intelligent beings that create art, have languages and cultures, and study science. But all of this richness and beauty is just a small fraction of what's really out there. When we look out to the universe, this is what we find. In green are the stars and the gas clouds. They make up the galaxies, and they're everything that we see in the night sky. In the tiny sliver of red lies you, me, the planet that we live on, and every living thing that has ever existed. Notice, though, that 5/6 of the matter in the universe is none of these things. We call this matter dark because it doesn't reflect light, but that's about all we know of it. The dark matter could be anything, maybe even a bunch of little space dragons. Other physicists have built experiments to try and detect the dark matter right here on Earth, but have yet to find anything. So what should we do? Instead of looking for dark matter in the present, I look for dark matter way back in the past, just as the first stars and galaxies were forming. It's super simple. I just need a time machine to take me there. Conveniently, we have many of these time machines. When we look out with our telescopes, any light that we detect took time to get here. If it started further away, it took a longer time to get here. But this is just how traveling somewhere typically works. If you just arrived from UC Riverside, then you probably left about 20 minutes ago. If instead you just arrived from downtown LA, then you probably left about 2 hours ago. And light travels in the same way. As we look further away, we see light that has come to us from deeper in the past. With newer telescopes to act as better time machines, we can even see those very first stars and galaxies. I have found that these first galaxies are especially sensitive to properties of dark matter that current experiments fail to access. These properties tell us how dark matter shaped the very universe that we live in. If we ever want to understand our place in the cosmos, we need to understand dark matter. We need to see past our tiny little sliver of that pie. We need our dark matter time machine. Thank you very much.